da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Coming up. And there she is. Hey everybody, we are unboxing the Yamaha 30 horsepower long shaft 2-stroke motor. And I'm going to measure something. How do you get the tape measure? Yeah, we got the tank, we got that, we got the book, we got the new pull rope. What else? That's upside down. Oh, we got the manual, we got tools. Look at that, folks. We got a little baby tool bag. So I think we're gonna test it. Do you guys have gasoline in that? Yeah, this one you get the gas tank and the fuel hose and of course the engine. You want me to move the box? Here. Move the box, stand it up. Yeah, how much? Yeah, and ask them, can I try and lift that?
Pwede ba kung siya musuway siya alsa kung kadaog ba siya?
I want to see if one man can. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's 120 pounds, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So can it shift? Yeah. Forward, neutral, reverse. See, this one shifts smooth. This one shifts smooth. That's good. All right. Okay. Yeah, so what do they, oh, put the water box. Drop her down. Yeah. Get her in there. So we got water for the water pump. Yeah. There we go. Fill it up with water. Huh? Yeah, we'll let them mix the gas. And we need to test the hose and the tank. Okay, so we got the gasoline set up here. Open the tank. Look in here. The filter is clean, not tore. Look in the tank. Make sure there's no plastic. I'll hold that. That one. Okay, so I checked the tank. There's no little plastic dust or nothing in there. Yeah, and we're mixing this.
50 to 1 ingon siya 50 to 1
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you use for the first 10 hours.
10
Honey, what are they saying?
Yeah, 50 to 1.
So the greaser, you can grease these things. And here's one too. And here's one too. So wow, they got a lot of those. On my other engines, they don't have all those grease fittings. So it's good to see this one does. There's grease oozing out of there. Right, that white stuff right there. Yeah, right there, grease. So yeah, so they're greasing everything up. Getting it good to go. Okay. So anyway, this is the beauty here, boys and girls, is the Yamaha. It's an Enduro too. I haven't seen the Enduro name on the newer ones until this one here. Yeah, what is this for here?
This one.
Is this for steering mount?
Yang naisay cambio dito kapitan. Naisay power steering.
Oh yeah.
Sir can understand Bisaya.
Oh yeah.
For open.
Oh.
Did they open? From some na.
Ay wa kabiran rin way gamit.
Oh, no use.
No you.
Well, some use or they don't make a hole, but we don't know. There's some, honey. And then we got to take this out before we start it.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't want to start it with that in there because this is going to, no, this doesn't spin. Underside there spins, but it could stick stuff. Okay, let me look around.
That's inside is the flywheel.
This is the flywheel, yeah. And if you have electric start, there's a gear. Yeah. Yeah, can you take this off? Well, I wish. Take it off. So here's the new engine. how she looks today. Fuel filter.
Yeah, yung fuel filter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some fuel in here. Maybe they
Fuel.
a little bit. Yeah. Fuel pump, carburetor. Everything's adjusted, or do you have to adjust?
No.
Yeah. Is everything adjusted from the factory, or when you start it, do you have to adjust anything?
No. No.
It should go perfect.
It's
Okay. Everything's ready to go. And the choke. Whoa, choke works. Good. Choke, good.
yeah. This is the start.
Yeah. I've got a Yamaha 8 horsepower and a 15. Yeah.
8 horsepower.
And a 15.
90? 30. Ah, this is 30.
Yeah. I've got an 8.
That's the little
I've got a 15, and now
And
I've
this
got
one.
this one. So I'll have 3 Yamahas.
A bigger boat for this.
Well, I'll show you my boat because you haven't seen my boat. Okay, so I'll be back, folks. I'm going to show them my boat. Paradise. All right, everybody, we're gassing them up. I had to figure out what the 50-to-1 ratio is. The first 10 hours for break-in, you run 50-to-1 mixture. And then after that, you can run 100-to-1. Yamaha does 100-to-1. There may be other ones, but most everybody runs 50-to-1. The kill switch over here. Safety kill switch. You put this on your wrist. I'm going to put a different carabiner on here because I don't like this one. This one. Screw that on. Unscrew the vent. Okay. Ready to roll. If you get it locked in. The moment that she gets hooked up to the machine. That's this bad boy. Pumping it. You got to fill the carb and stuff because it's not full. Yeah. Are we going to start it? You ready to roll? You need choke? Yeehaw. Choke is on. Got your muscle? Pull up your pants. Put your foot on it. Do we need to hold? Okay. They're going to hold it. First time. Got to get the fuel in there. Whoa, she sounds like she wants to roll. Yeah, that's 3, 4. There we go. Now we're talking. We got the water pump running. Water's this supposed to come out here too. This is where it comes out. Comes out here and back here. Water's coming out. The choke is in.
No, you get
Yeah. It's peeing like a racehorse. Yeah. He's running. Do we want to check the gears or? Oh, okay, get back. It may throw. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Whee! Yeah. Get those in. And forward. Let's see if we go forward. Woo! Yeah, baby. That's moving some water. Hopefully that'll push that Trimaran and the Catamaran both. This will be fun on the, well, I think it'll be fun on the Catamaran. Yeah, she's running. She's blowing out her 50-to-1 smoke. She's doing what she ought to be doing right now. Water is cold as ice, but yeah, she's all shiny and looking guapa. Do we run it up or no? Yep. That's it? It sounds smooth. It's quiet. Not? So anyway, I got the break-in. I took a photo of the break-in instructions so that if I'm in the boat, I can whip out my phone, and I took a picture of the break-in instructions from the manual. Seems pretty quiet, to tell you the truth. They're talk like 4-strokes are loud, but this one doesn't seem that loud. This is your air intake back here for your carburetor. That's where it sucks in air and goes to the intake. It's at the back. So if you wash your engine down after you're done, don't spray water into there, because that goes into your carburetor. So that's not what you do, folks. And the cool thing is, this has got a place where I can bolt this on here. See that hole? I can bolt this onto my boat if I want to. And also this, yeah, that's okay. I've got mine set up at like a negative angle. I got my transom set up at a negative angle, almost just like this. So I like that because that lifts the back of the boat, which is what I need to do, lift the back and push the front down to get this thing up on plane. But I don't know, she's running. She's running like she should. Gas tank is right there. So yeah. I don't hear anything sputtering, anything missing. It's just a consistent. And again, 2-strokes fire twice as often as a 4-stroke does. So keep that in mind when you're considering acceleration and stuff. These accelerate faster than a 4-stroke will. It's the same horsepower, you know, similar displacement type stuff. Otherwise, all things consistent, 2-stroke's going to out accelerate a 4-stroke, and theoretically use more fuel, but some of the Evinrudes use less fuel than 4-strokes, but Evinrude's not in business no more, so you got to get Yamaha or Suzuki or Mercury Tohatsu. Tohatsu makes the Mercury smaller smaller horsepower, like 30s and 20s and 8s and 9.9s and all that for Mercury, Japanese company, so they're good. All the Japanese are good. So anyway, nice looking. We've done the run up testing, fuel mixing, testing the gas tank, the hose, the pump, the motor. Yeehaw! Paradise out.